Hello all my viewers around the globe, welcome to my channel. When you talk about meme coins, you cannot skip Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. These are the biggest coins when we talk about meme coins. And today we are going to talk about the difference between Dogecoin and Shiba coin. Much as all of them they are meme coins. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Simo Crypto. So with that said, let's dive into the video. In the recent couple of days, Dogecoin has spiked almost 23% because Elon Musk, the owner of Twitter and the most admirer of Dogecoin, changed the Twitter logo and put Dogecoin logo, and this one made it to move almost 50% in just 7 days. But we want to see, why could Elon Musk in all the coins could admire Dogecoin? So as of current, Dogecoin is ranked number 8 on CoinMarketCap. According to the person who made Dogecoin, he made Dogecoin to be the best alternative to Bitcoin. Dogecoin has everything like that of Bitcoin, and it works the same in its proof of work mechanism. So as of current, you can see its CoinMarketCap 12 billion plus, and it is increasing every day. So when you come on fully diluted market cap, it's almost the same like that one of market cap. So when you come the volume, you can see almost 1.3 billion in 24 hours it was traded in Dogecoin. So circulating supply you can see, and total supply, this is the amount that is supposed to be in total supply. So when you come on community of Dogecoin, you can see 1.6 people on watch list waiting for it to buy it. They are monitoring it. So as of current, the circulating supply, it's 138.8 billions of Dogecoin that right now in supply. And Shiba Inu as of current is ranked number 14 on CoinMarketCap. The people on its watch list, they are 1.8 million. So when you come here, you will see its contract. Shiba Inu doesn't have a blockchain. Rather, it's a coin of ERC20. So all its transactions are working on Ethereum. Actually, they are working under Ethereum. But when you come on Dogecoin, it has its blockchain. So all transactions of Dogecoin can be made without any middleman. So you can see its blocks, transactions, outputs, and addresses that currently on the market. So when you come on CoinMarketCap of the SHIB, it has only 6.4 billion of current that are in circulation. So this is fully diluted market cap of SHIB. This is the volume in 24 hours, 217 millions in 24 hours that are traded of SHIB. And you can see all the exchanges where you can trade your SHIB from. Community-wise, SHIB has been increasing in all platforms where it is. And when you go on Twitter, you can see that it has 3.6 million followers on Twitter, and Dogecoin has 3.7 million followers. So you can see that they are almost the same. So when you go on the blockchain of Dogecoin, you can get 7 BTC as a winning rate. Right now you can get in gaming 8.8 BTC when you win, and 20,000 on this bet99.io. So you can get all this amount, or you can be on Bitrail, on live on crypto, and you can get all those things just on the blockchain of Dogecoin. Shiba Inu made a lot of coins, and they sent almost 90% of their coins to the owner of Ethereum. And this person decided to ban most of them so that he can remain with few of them in circulation. But Dogecoin made the specific number of Dogecoins, and there's no need of banning them. So when you go on its paperwork on how they made Dogecoin core, this person stated that Dogecoin is a community-driven cryptocurrency that was inspired by Shiba Inu meme. The Dogecoin core software allows anyone to operate a code in the Dogecoin blockchain networks and uses the script hash method for proof of work. It is adopted from Bitcoin Core and other cryptocurrencies. So you can see the pods Dogecoin Core by default uses port 22556 for peer-to-peer communication that is needed to synchronize the mainnet blockchain and stay informed for new transactions. So you can see all the paperwork. But when you come on Shiba Inu, their proof of paperwork, they just send it on PDF. They don't have a website where you can find their proof of work. It just, when you click on paperwork, they just send it on PDF. So when you click here, you can see the introduction to it. What could happen if a cryptocurrency project was 100 run by its community? While the term DeFi literally includes the word decentralized in its definition. So you can read all the items that you want to see on its proof of work and see exactly whether it is one of the good meme coins that you can buy or it's not. Shiba Inu is one of the decentralized coins that you can think. So all the things that you want to see on Shiba Inu, again, you can find them all here. You can see their background, all of those ones, you can find them there. So if you want to chat with Shiba Inu community, you can come here on chat on CoinMarketCap and see exactly how you can get in contact with them and see everything concerning how they are promoting the coin. So all those things you can get them just here on CoinMarketCap under Shiba Inu. So hope you've got everything, and to me I recommend Dogecoin over Shiba Inu. Much as Shiba Inu is one of the good coins when it comes to meme coins, and even it is ranked number 14, but I recommend Dogecoin. So hope you've got everything well. Bye for today. Good luck.